What's up, y'all? My name is AJ Davis. I'm a real estate investor here in Atlanta, Georgia, and today I am standing in front of my very first flip. Guys, this is such a big deal to me because it's something I've been working very hard for. I thought it was impossible. In this overpriced market, it's just been so crazy. So the fact that I was able to do this is just a big deal to me. But I thought to myself, more importantly, how could I make this an inspirational or motivational video for you guys? And so I thought maybe I'll just create a docuseries or a documentary showing you guys step by step how I do this flip from ground zero all the way to a tenant or putting it on the market, right? And so in this episode, you're gonna see how we start. I'm 25 years old. I work a full-time job, sometimes 60 hours a week. And if I can do it, I just wanna show you guys that you can do it too. Take a look. All right, so the first thing you can see is, this is this house was built in 1981. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,500 square feet. And the ugliest part of this house, in my opinion, is the siding. Guys, look at that, man. It's like we got some warping siding, some mildew, the black parts. It just needs to be pressure washed and paint all around. Just get this house looking pretty again. One thing that I want to show you guys is I'm standing right now in the mud because I was digging this up, and basically we got a tree that tried to grow in this house. So take a look at this, guys. This tree, which I didn't realize when I first was here, when I was first walking this property, I never realized that because there's a whole bunch of dirt. And look, we got a frog. You guys see this? There's a frog right here. Look at that. See, I don't know what's going on under this foundation, but this could be a big issue for me. And I'm glad that I realized it, but I kind of realized it too late because I already bought the property. But it's never too late. We can fix this, right? So this is something that you want to look out for when you're looking at properties. Always make sure that the foundation is good. And I knew that, but because everything was so dirty, I didn't get to see this. So that was one of the lessons that I learned. We got lessons in the first video already. Look at that. If you walk with me towards the back of the house, you can see here that my gutters are overflown right now. They're pretty full because, nobody has been here in about 5 years. So what happens is when it rains, all the water just kind of stops right here. And so this has caused a lot of moisture and termite activity. So I'm gonna have to replace these planks of siding. And this is cedar wood siding, by the way. We may even think about a French drain to get more of a drainage system going here. You might see this trash. This is all my HVAC, the old HVAC. We got it replaced. We changed out everything in the crawl space. And so we got full new 100% ductwork. We got some more trash back here because we just did a full yard cleanup. Guys, the reason I'm showing you this, I know it's not too appealing, right? But the reason I'm showing you this is because to everything that's great, there's a process, right? I could very well just show you the end result of this house and it'd be very pretty, but I think there's a lot of value in seeing how ugly and dirty things are in the very beginning and then seeing how they come out. This is our very new HVAC. This just got here about 2 days ago. They did a full new system and the roof is complete, but we still got some more work to do there. Now, one thing to notice is if you look at these trees, we got 2 trees in the front yard. What I'm gonna look to do is, cut these trees so we can get more clearance. I mean, we don't really have much grass here because there's not enough sunlight. So we're gonna look to do that. This deck here that's right behind me, and maybe I'll show you when we get up there, but we need to replace all these side rails, replace these 4 posts because it's just rotten wood at this point. All right, so now we're gonna go to the fun part, the interior. Follow me. All right, guys, so welcome to the party. This is the inside of the home. What we've done already in here is clean out. We've done a full demo. We've taken up all the flooring. Right here, what I'm standing on used to be carpet. Right here, you can see that the ceiling is missing. The people before this really just tore this house apart. When I tell you they did this house dirty, they did it dirty. So they took all the copper, they took all our wiring, they took everything that was valuable in any sense, and they took it all away. So this is kind of like the family room. If you walk with me, you'll see we walk right into the kitchen. And we just took up the vinyl flooring, so it's really sticky right now. We just actually got some quotes for the cabinets to be replaced. The top ones are fine, they're pretty good, but the bottom I think we need to just go ahead and replace because some of the rotting and some of the moisture has kind of rotted some of that wood there. For the flooring, we're thinking to go LVP on all flooring except for the bedrooms. The bedrooms we're gonna go with carpet, which I'll show you in a second. You follow me upstairs. To the right, this is the first bathroom. This is a guest bathroom. So right now, if you guys can still see, this is where the light will be. This is where the vanity will go, the new vanity and countertop. And right here where I'm standing is where the tub will be. So we just got a tub. It's actually outside right now. We're gonna put a new tub, and the toilet will go right here. And also what we're planning to do with this tub, so now we'll have the tub, it'll come up to about here, but then we'll do tile from everywhere up. We start to walk into the smallest bedroom of the house, and this is where we're gonna put carpet on this floor. So not much going on in here, just carpet on the floors, paint the walls, paint the baseboards. We're gonna paint the windowsill. All right, so now we're in the second biggest bedroom, and again, pretty simple in here. Just white baseboard, white windowsill, carpet on the floors. And the one thing about this house is that these are single pane windows. Single pane is really out of style right now. They're not energy efficient. Double pane windows is what would keep the energy in the home, efficient. And so now we're gonna walk to the last bedroom of the house, and as you can see, we've already gotten our electrician in here. He's changed out all of our outlets. He's changed out all of our switches. All right, so now guys, we're in the biggest room of the house, and this is the master bedroom. Don't mind these, we got 2 toilets in here because they just came in yesterday. But again, we're gonna do carpet in here, paint baseboards, paint windowsill. And if you follow me, this is the master bathroom, which is surprisingly smaller than the guest bathroom, but I didn't build the house. So now this is the shower. So we're gonna do a tile floor, tile surround, all around here is gonna be a tile shower. And we're gonna do the toilet right there. We're gonna have a vanity right here. And that's pretty much it. That is the upstairs, and we have one more level, so follow me. Okay, so now guys, we're gonna come to the last level of the floor. This is a tri-level home, and this is actually gonna be the den. So if you look here, we see that there is some mold that happened, of course, because if you rewind back to the beginning, I showed you guys on the outside that there's a lot of moisture here, so it kind of made its way inside. And that's why this is black here. So we're gonna do some mold treatment. Again, this flooring is gonna be LVP, some nice gray, beige type color. I'm really looking forward to it. We got the fireplace that's gonna stay. The house is gas. And maybe we'll replace this ceiling fan. We got spider webs on it, you know what I'm saying? So this, guys, actually, this is the interesting room. This is supposed to be like a mud room. And it could be a bedroom actually. So this room will be interesting. It could be the 4th bedroom to the house, even though it's really a 3-bedroom house. So it'll be interesting to see what we do with this. If you look above, you can see that we just got our HVAC done. The ductwork, that we made a new vent here. There was some poor circulation beforehand, so we just went ahead and spent the additional money to get the HVAC to where it should be. So now, I want to show you guys the most expensive room in the house. And that is my utility room. Now it's a little dark in here, so that's why I got this light. Take a look at our new HVAC. We got Goodman brand. We got the return right here. And basically, we tried to fit all this ductwork into the rafters so that we could get a ceiling in here, but it was just too large, so they're just gonna we're probably gonna do a drop ceiling to compensate for that. And if you come a little further, you will see our electrical panel. We didn't have to change the electrical panel at all, but we did have to change out some of these breakers, and we will need to get a door for it to pass code. So that was some of the work that we did. I mean, we were actually missing a lot of circuits. We were missing about 6 circuits in the house because, like I said, they stole everything. So that was a lot of work. That was a lot of money. And then we got our plumbing work that's already getting started. We got the PEX here, the blue for cold, red for hot. We got the laundry, washer and dryers, stuff that's going to go right here. So yeah, man, this room alone, guys, cost me about, I want to say 15 to 20K. But once this is done, this is called MEPs, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing. And once that's done, those are the 3 core functions of every home. Once that's done, we can get started with all the fun stuff, which is the craftsmanship, the carpentry, the cabinets, the flooring, the paint. And I'm going to show you guys that too. So guys, as you can see, this house is in terrible condition. It needs a lot of work, and we still have more contractors on the way. So what I want you to do is stay tuned and tap in to the next episode as I continue to show you how we turn this house into a home. Stay tuned.